Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans Learn French with Vincent, and this is unité 18, leçon G. And in this lesson we'll see together la comparaison progressive. And you will see that it's actually quite simple in French. So basically when we talk about la comparaison progressive, we talk about la progression, so that's the key word. So la progression, it could go like that, or then like that, and you will see that it will be really simple to construct that, because basically in that case you will use this plus et plus, and then here it will be moins et moins. So let's see now how to construct that if we want to combine it with un adjectif. Okay, so in that case it will be quite simple. You will need to use this de plus en plus, so basically you make the liaison de plus en plus. Okay, and then here de moins en moins, but then you make the liaison de moins en moins. So let's see two examples now, and the first one, il fait de plus en plus chaud. Il fait de moins en moins froid. Okay, so you can see that it's really simple to make it, because basically you've got your adjective here, and just before it you will have to put this de plus en plus, okay, or then de moins en moins. Alright, so it is really simple. Let's see now if you want to combine it with an adverb. Okay, so basically, what a surprise, it's the same, de plus en plus, de moins en moins. Okay, so il vient de plus en plus rarement, and then elle voyage de moins en moins souvent. So it's exactly the same thing. So normally you would have your sentence il vient rarement, so the adverb would come after the verb, just between the two, or then to be more precise, before your adverb you will put this de plus en plus, okay, and then de moins en moins. So let's see now how it will work with un nom. And then in that case, you can see that it's a bit different, because you will have to use this de plus en plus, but then keep in mind that you should put de as well, okay? And then de moins en moins, de. Alright? It will be the only difference between what we saw for an adjectif ou un adverbe. So let's see how it will go now. Vous avez de plus en plus de livres. Okay, so you can see that you put this de here, and then you will put your words or your noun, livre, chez vous. Okay. Nous avons de moins en moins de problèmes avec nos voisins. Alright, so it's actually the same way, you just put this de plus en plus, but then you need to remember to put de, okay, and then de moins en moins, de. So you can see that it's quite simple in French to make this comparaison progressive. I hope it was clear. Passez une très bonne journée. Au revoir et à bientôt.